In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!